The establishment of Pak-Russian banks marks a significant milestone in partnership between two nations. Established in 2023, the RPB is joint venture between Russia's second largest bank, the VTB Bank, and the Pakistan's largest commercial bank, the National Bank of Pakistan. This collaboration is supposed to enhance economical ties between Russia and Pakistan, fostering trade, investment, and financial cooperation. The RPB's creation stems from a shared recognition of impulsive and immense potential for economical cooperation between Russia and Pakistan. Russia boasts a vast natural resource, including significant reserve of oil, gas, and minerals, while Pakistan offers a growing domestic market and a strategic location at the crossroads of South Asia and Central Asia. The establishment of RPB provides a platform for both the countries to capitalize on these areas. By facilitating trade and investment, the bank aims to expand bilateral trade volumes, which currently stands at around 2 billion annually. The RPB will also serve as a crystalline for joint ventures and investment projects in key sectors such as energy, infrastructure, and agriculture. Beyond its economical significance, the PRB also carries a strategic implications. Russia has long sought to expand its economical and political influences in South Asia, while Pakistan aims to diversify its partnership and reduce its dependence on traditional allies. The RPB serves as a tangible manifestation of these shared strategic objectives. Moreover, the establishment of RPB comes at a time of heightened global tensions. By forcing closer normal ties with Russia and Pakistan can sign a mutual support and strengthen their geographical positions. The RPB offers a multitude of benefits for both Russia and Pakistan. For Russia, the bank provides access to promising new market and opportunities for increased exports in its goods and services. It also strengthens Russia's strategic presence in region. For Pakistan, the RPB represents a gateway to Russia investment and technology. The bank financing terms and expertise in project financing can facilitate much needed infrastructure and development and industrial growth in Pakistan. While the RPB holds impulsive promises and there are challenges, the bank faces the task of overcoming political and bureaucratic hurdles as well as navigating the complexities of international finance regulations. However, these challenges also present opportunities for the bank to demonstrate its efficiency and build the trust between Russia and Pakistan. By addressing these challenges head-on, the bank can establish itself as a credible and reliable partner. The establishment of the Russia-Pakistan Bank is a testament of the growing strategic partnership between these two nations. By enhancing trade, investment, and financial cooperation, the bank has the potential to transform the bilateral relations and boost economical growth in both countries. While the challenges lie ahead, the RPB stands as a symbol of shared commitment to prosperity and mutual beneficial future. As the bank expands its operation and deepens its engagement, it is expected to play an increasing vital role in shaping economical landscape of Russia and Pakistan.